glad that you've decided to apply to the SIUE School of Pharmacy as an early decision applicant. I'd like to share with you some information today about this process and some tips that will help you streamline the process as well. So the early decision opportunity is an important one to consider. The deadline to apply to the SIUE School of Pharmacy Early Decision Program is September 4th, 2018 this year, and make sure that your entire application and transcripts are submitted by the September 4th deadline. That includes any evaluations that you might have, as well as your personal statement. Your PCAT scores must also be obtained by PharmCAS by the September 4th deadline. That means that in order for the scores to reach PharmCAS, you'll need to take your PCAT by the July dates that are available. You may apply to only one program if you do select to apply as an early decision applicant, and the early decision application is binding, so you must agree to enroll in the program if you are accepted. However, if you're denied application as an early decision applicant, you can still apply to other PharmD programs for an additional fee, and you'll still have plenty of time to apply before the traditional applicant deadline. So whenever you log into PharmCAS and you want to apply as an early decision applicant, when you go to the Add Programs section, you can filter schools by those who have early decision programs available, and then you'll be able to see which ones that you may be able to apply to. You'll have a pop-up window that will allow you to confirm that you wish to apply as an early decision applicant, and then you'll be able to select the program to which you wish to apply. So on this page, again at the top, you're going to see the notice that you are viewing only early decision programs. You're not viewing programs that have traditional application deadlines. So when you select the Apply Early Decision, you're going to get this pop-up message that says, are you sure that you want to apply as an early decision applicant? At that time, you just click on Yes, I'm sure to confirm. And then you will be able to proceed with your application. Now, as you go through this, if you decide that you would like to apply as a regular decision applicant, you can change your mind and you just simply click on the Apply Regular Decision button. And again, PharmCAS is going to give you the opportunity to confirm your choice. You'll get a pop-up window that says, are you sure you no longer wish to apply early decision? So you can either confirm that you want to apply as a traditional applicant or click on No State Early Decision. And then again, if you click on No State Early Decision, remember that you need to have all of your application materials, including your PCAT, submitted by the September 4th deadline.